Is there one outlet in the wall? No, there is not one outlet in the wall. How many outlets are there in the wall? There are 3 outlets in the wall. Please spell outlet. O-U-T-L-E-T. Thank you. You are welcome. Is the US a small country? No, the US is not a small country. Is the US a big country? Yes, the US is a big country. Please spell country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Thank you. You are welcome. No, there are not 10 outlets in the wall. How many outlets are there in the wall? There are 3 outlets in the wall. Spell outlet, please. O-U-T-L-E-T. Thank you. You are welcome. What color is the outlet? The outlet is white. Is this laptop a thing or a person? This laptop is a thing. Is this thing blue? No, this thing is not blue. Is this thing white? No, this thing is not white. Is this thing purple? No, this thing is not purple. What color is this thing? This thing is black. Is your name Freddy? No, my name is not Freddy. Is your name Donald? No, my name is not Donald. What is your name? My name is Roger. Please spell your name. R-O-G-E-R. Nice to meet you. Pleasure is all mine. Are there 3 walls in this room? No, we are not a person. We are people. How many people are there in this room? There are 4 people in this room. Please spell people. B-E-O-B-L-E. Thank you. You are welcome. When we talk about time, we use it is. It is 2 p.m. It is 3:30. It is 6 a.m. To ask a question, it and is change places. Is it 2 p.m.? Is it 3:30? Is it 5 a.m.? What time is it? Let's practice. Time. Time. O'clock. O'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. A.M. A.M. P.M. P.M. Now. Now. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. 30. 30. 40. 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. Oh. It is. What time? What time? What time is it? What time is it? Time. Time. O'clock. O'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. A.M. A.M. P.M. P.M. Now. Now. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. 30. 30. 40. 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. Oh. It is. What time? What time? What time is it? What time is it? Is it 3 o'clock now? No, it is not 3 o'clock now. Is it 5 p.m. now? No, it is not 5 p.m. now. What time is it? It is 2:30 p.m. What time is it? It is 12:08 p.m. What time is it? It is 4:30 a.m. What time is it? It is 3:45 a.m. What time is it? It is 8:51 p.m. What time is it? It is 6:35 p.m. What time is it? It is 9 p.m. What time is it? It is 10:20 a.m. What time is it? It is 6:11 a.m. What time is it? It is 2:37 a.m. What time is it? It is 5:30 p.m. What time is it? It is 1:55 a.m. What time is it? It is 11:15 p.m. What time is it? It is 12:45 p.m. What time is it? It is 7:10 a.m.